is born from adversity.
Amen.
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 My name is Kian Mwenda Simbo, and I'm going to read the Bully chapter 30, verse 10 to 12.
Amen.
Ulila ai mukama msasire mukama gwebera omubezi wange ofulidde okunakora kwange okuzina oziyeko ebibukutu byange onyambaziza essanyu ekitiibwa kyange kiryoke tukuyimbirenga okutendereza so kiremenga okusirika ai mukama katonda wange nakwebazanga emirembe gyonna.
Amen.
My name is Malcolm. Great love has no man than this, that a man lay down his life with friends. John chapter 15 verse 20.
Amen.
My name is Jessa Isaac. I'm going to pray Zabuli.
Amen.
Zabuli abiri musatu mukama ya musumba wange zetagenda agalamiza mutondile yana muto omuto ontwala kumabali agamaze amatefu ankomyawo ememe yange anyumyama mumukuwa anotuplivu nuwelinyane nuwankuwatena ntambulira mukiwonvu ekyesikiriza okyolumbe sirika kabikona kuwanga kwe onilange olugana n'omukoko embinsanyusa onteekerateekera emmeeza mu maaso g'abalabi wange onsiiza amafuta ku mutwe ekikompe kyange kiyiika omulungi n'ekisa tuyiramenga genda nange nantuulanga mu nnyumba ya Mukama okutuusa ennaku enningi.
Amen.
My name is Dylan, and I'm going to read from Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 12. Then you will come upon me and go and pray to me, and I will listen to you.
Amen.
Happy Sabbath, church.
Happy Sabbath, Tesselos.
Mukama mulungi. Ennaku zonna. I am going to read Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd. I have everything that I need. He gives me rest in green pastures. For the good of his name, I will not be afraid, because you are with me. Your rod and your staff comfort me. You give me more than I can hold, and I will live in the Lord's house forever and ever. This is my humble prayer. I pray in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
John chapter 15, verse 14 to 15. You are my friend if you do whatever I command you to do. No longer do I call you a servant, for a servant does not know what its master is doing. I call you friends, for all things that I've heard from my Father, I have been known to you.
Amen.
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 What's that?
Ebyo bye tuyize mu kibiina kyaffe kati tunayo ka special item kamu kama yibazi.
Amen.
Thank you. Tujibirie tusale, shitafari nukulu, linalo litukuziwe, bakabaka ubuje, bwagala bikolewe, ngabe bikolewe, wasile mukulu, otuemele alelo, otusonyiwe lololo, ngawe tusonyiwe, fena watolona, totwala mukelewa, nayo tulokole, uwango wakawaka, nayo nomuyiza, biberenga kufe, emirembe, 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 amina, amina, emirembe, 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 amina, amina. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Your kingdom will come, your will done in heaven, as it is in heaven. Give us daily bread, forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, and deliver us from evil. For